Honorable President Sir, I am Nandini KR from Karnataka Cadre. At the outset, I wish to convey my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable President for making time out of his busy schedule to address, guide and inspire us. I feel very honored at the opportunity that I have today to share the collective experience of our batch in the historic Darbar Hall of the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Sir, it is said that life can only be understood backwards, but it must always be lived forwards. At this moment, when I look backwards, 2 years ago, on 27th of August 2017, 169 of us embarked on the journey of preparing and finally dedicating ourselves for public service. The foundation course offered a platform to interact with officer trainees across the services, also forging lifelong friendships and camaraderie. The village visit for many of us was a maiden opportunity to be among the rural society. Here we understood the challenges of rural development and insights to explore the solutions for the same. While morning PT and sports activities inculcated discipline, endurance and team spirit, the Himalayan trek taught us to perform and achieve with the minimal resources at our disposal. The activities of various clubs and societies offered new hobbies to develop as well as ways to strike work and life balance. The 50 days winter study tour brought in front of us the Darshan of Bharat. Here, the stereotypes were broken and the prejudices were dissolved. It was the golden opportunity to unlock, understand and appreciate the diversity of India. The academic sessions of Phase 1 professional course gave insights into the public administration and good governance. The guest speakers in the Life Beyond Work sessions brought to the desk the diverse perspectives towards service and life. Every speaker stood as a testimony to the quote, "In every adversity, there lies an hidden opportunity to innovate." A week-long foreign study tour enabled us to compare and learn from the models of governance followed elsewhere. Addressing the first batch of IAS probationers, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel ji said, "The future of service depends on the foundations laid by you, your character and your abilities, and most importantly, the spirit of service." To conclude, Honorable President Sir, I would say that the 2 years of service has engraved in our hearts Sheelam Param Bhushanam. The character is the highest virtue, reverberating the words of the Iron Man of India. Thank you.
गलियों गलियों में मुझे ढूंढोगे तो याद आऊंगा, जब भी इस शहर को लौटोगे तो याद आऊंगा। तुम मेरी आंख के तेवर ना बुला पाओगे, अनकही बात को समझोगे तो याद आऊंगा।